So to set up an electronic gradebook in Blackboard, you're going to go into your course page, which I have in front of me here. You're going to click on Grade Center, which is under the Course Management Tools. And then you're going to go into Full Grade Center. Now, obviously the choices here are not that intuitive, but the only other choice is needs grading. So it's kind of just following the path here. So then I'm going to create a column. And this part is pretty straightforward. So I could call this exam 1. I could then use the same name. I could put in a description if I wanted to. Once again, totally up to you. And then I could actually, using the drop-down menu, select how I want it to display in the grade center. Do I want a letter? Do I want a score? So I'm just going to pick score. And then if I wanted to, if I had built into categories, I could do test, I could do survey, and so forth. So we could group this into tests. And let's say it's worth 100 points. I would add that there. Now, if it was an assignment and you had a rubric, you could add that as well. You could also then add the due date. We'll just make it today's date just for an example. And then you do have some options at the bottom. Do you want to include the column in the grade center calculations? The default is yes, so I'm going to keep it that way as well. Do you want to show the column to the students? Default is yes, I'm going to keep that. And then do you want to show them statistics? This is the median as well as the average. The default is no, but you could change that to yes if you wanted to. And then you're just going to click submit. And then you can see by scrolling over that there is exam 1 here. Now there are some other things on the gradebook, last name, first name, student ID, weighted total, availability. There are some columns if you wanted to at least hide them or delete them, you could, but just remember you have to scroll over. And then obviously as our students were populated, we would see the rows for each student and then we would be able to put the grade in there. So you would just repeat this process once again for all the things that needed to be in your grade book. I hope this video has made this process easier for you.